Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am comparing two smartphones in terms of the camera wise. One of them is the Apple iPhone 6s while the other one is the Oppo F1 Plus. The iPhone 6s features 5 megapixel front facing camera, and at the back you will find the 12 megapixel iSight camera with 2-tone flash. And when it comes to the Oppo F1 Plus, there is a 16 megapixel front facing camera, and on the front and at the back you will find the 13 megapixel camera with LED flash at the back. When you look at the camera interface on both the smartphone, you will find that there are nothing as much dissimilar, and when you look at our, there are only few features which are not available, although on iPhone 6s Plus it has a minimalistic interface, and you can see that above the shutter button there are only few features available, and you can easily get access to the other features by tapping on it, and you only few filter modes are available. And when it comes to the Oppo F1 Plus, you will find that the camera interface is much similar when compared to the iPhone 6s Plus, and there are number of features available when compared to the iPhone 6s. When you tap on the bubbles, you will get the access to the other features like the normal mode, ultra HD mode, GIF feature, and the double exposure and expert mode. And there are various filters which are not available in the iPhone 6s Plus, and on Oppo F1 Plus there are more filters available. And above all, on expert mode you can easily control everything in the way you like it, and you can easily set the any settings like the focus, shutter speed, ISO, exposure content, or white balance, whichever you want to use. And above all, you can save the image in a raw format too. Talking about the front facing camera, you will find that it has the same interface, and when compared you will find that only the slow motion one is not available in the Oppo F1 Plus, while at the you will get the beauty feature which is not available in the iPhone 6s. While when you look at the interface is much cleaner when compared, and you can find that only the various filters are available. But when it comes to Oppo F1 Plus, and there are few other modes or features available, and you can easily use the various filters depending on your requirements. And apart from this, when you check out the camera image quality of both the smartphone, you will find that the images come out really good on both the smartphone. But when you want to take the image, there might it will take a little bit time for iPhone 6s to focus on the object. But when it comes to the Oppo F1 Plus, it will focus on the object immediately when compared, and the image quality on Oppo F1 Plus comes out much better when compared to the 6s, iPhone 6s. And even though in low light, the Oppo F1 Plus outperforms the iPhone 6s. And when when you look at the pricing, there is a much difference in the pricing too. The Oppo F1 Plus costs nearly 27,000, but when it comes to iPhone 6s, it costs more than, and it's the twice the amount of the Oppo F1 Plus. If you have any queries, do let me know. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video.